Back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back here in Summerlin, Las Vegas. And today I am so glad you tuned in because we are going to tour a townhome. Look at this beautiful townhomes here. So I can't wait for us to tour this together. Let's do this. All right, guys, this is the front of this townhome here, which is the plan Dewdrop, 1,760 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom. I love that stonework there. Comment down below, guys, if you like this kind of stonework. And as you can see, there is a mini gate here. Actually, you can put a seating arrangement here, right? Really nice seating arrangement. All right, let's do this. Let's check out what's happening on this townhome. Knock, knock. Ooh, look at your living room area. Pretty spacious. And this is your open space here. Right? Very open. And you still have a very spacious dining area there. Let me span from this corner of the home so that you can see how beautiful this open floor plan is. So this, guys, is ideal for those that are downsizing, that doesn't need to have a lot of square footage, but at the same time you have still 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And also, this is for those that doesn't want too much work on their yard because you don't really have a backyard here because your back is the garage. All right, let's check out what's happening on this kitchen. You know, I like when a townhome still can manage to put an island because, as you know, guys, when you have a townhome, it's very limited in space. For this, especially in Summerlin, it's too expensive. The land is scarce. So, yeah, this is a pretty nice quartz, right? And I love their kitchen. Look at this. All right, the stove is very elegant. And this is a massive refrigerator. All right, guys, I'm gonna span from the corner of this kitchen here. So you can see how open it is. Built for entertainment. Let's see what's happening there. So I believe this is the garage entrance, right? And that is included. The future car charger if you have an electric car. Let's see. I don't think they will allow us to open. And also this smart system is already here. All right, let's check out this area here. Wow, really nice half bathroom. Hello, guys. And let's see what's happening on this. There is a door here. This is a coat closet and also storage space. Look at that, very deep. This is under your stairs. That's why you have a lot of space there. You can store there your Halloween costume, a lot of things that you don't need on a regular basis, like very seasonal. And I appreciate the grains of the floor. Please comment down below what kind or color of floor do you normally like, right? I just wanted to get some feedback, guys. All right, let's do this. Let's go up the stairs. But I'm seeing another door. I'm not leaving this house unless I open all the doors for you guys to see what's happening here. Okay, so there's another coat closet here. They want you to have a lot of coat closet for your guests. All right. Let's do this. Let's check out what's happening on the second floor. Again, guys, this particular townhome is ideal also if you're just wanting to have a vacation home in Las Vegas and You wanted to have your own space without going to the strip, but at the same time have easy access to the strip because this is only really 20 minutes away from the strip. All right, let's check out what's happening on this area. What is this no slamming doors? It says jumper decks and transfer grills throughout the home. Relieve your ears of doors slamming shut. Okay, that's nice. So what you are hearing, guys, is their smoke alarm which needed to replace the battery. All right, this is a pretty spacious bedroom. I just don't know if this is the owner, but it looks to me it is not, because it doesn't have a bedroom. A bathroom. Who is a fan of hockey, ice hockey? I like when their secondary bedroom has their own walk-in closet. Look at this, right? Really nice. So this is one of your bedrooms. We still have 2 guys to go. So let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. What is happening here? Okay, so right after that first bedroom, there is another bedroom for your baby or future baby, right? Very cute. This is something that if you guys are starting a family, you know, I remember when I was investing in real estate, your first house, don't worry if it's not too big, because your first house is never, or it's almost never gonna be your last home. You will always try to find a better one. So don't worry. For example, if you're a millennial starting to build your portfolio of houses, it's okay if you start on this particular home, which is not really big, but at the same time, still have a lot of bedrooms, 3 bedrooms for a townhome. Look at this crib here, guys. They want you to have a baby, or if you're a baby, you don't have to worry about a room for your baby. And then when they grow up, they already have the closet there. Look at this, right? It's been a while since I haven't seen that kind of clothing. All right, what is going on here? We have a linen closet to store fresh linens for your baby. All right, let's see what's happening with this one. It's a bathroom. 2 sinks. Look, guys. And there's something here. Oh, nice configuration, because there's a door here, right? So it's very efficient. 2 people can use this bathroom at the same time. While the other one is showering, the other one is doing their sink situation. All right, let's go on this side. Oh, love that their laundry area is actually on this 2nd floor, so that it's easier for you guys to wash your clothes. And also, look at this, it's very spacious. Okay, so we looked at 2 bedrooms. I believe this is now the owner's bedroom. Ooh, love this open, meaning spacious bedroom. That's a king-size bed, guys. And look at this wall paneling here. They use a wallpaper paneling. This is your owner's bedroom. And I'm gonna spend one more time. You have a view of the mountains there a little bit. Okay, let's check out your owner's bathroom. Look at the floor. Really nice, right? Okay. Ooh, this is very spacious for a townhome, right? And you have that window there. Of course, you have to have the window blinds. Walk-in shower, not too big, but still functional. At the same time, you have a bathtub here. Hello, guys. And as you can see, you have 2 sinks so that you won't fight over one sink. And then you have your separate toilet area. This might be another towel closet or linen closet. I like when they put this kind of linen closet and towel closet. All right, this is your walk-in closet. Again, guys, it's hard to expect a big walk-in closet for this small square footage, but still, you know, very appreciated that there is such a walk-in closet. All right, we've seen the bathroom and the owner's bedroom. Let's go back downstairs so you can feel how it is to go down, right? I liked this configuration, guys, and you know why? Because those two bedrooms are separated from the owner's bedroom. That's a floor plan that's really ideal for those who want some privacy on their owner's bedroom. Again, guys, please don't forget to comment down below what do you think of this home. This is very ideal for those starting to get a home, and also for those that are downsizing, and also for those that are just looking for a vacation home so that every time they go to the fabulous Las Vegas, they have a place to stay without paying too much on the hotels. As we know, inflation is hitting us hard. So hotels nowadays are super expensive. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. And also, don't forget to comment down below. What do you think of this home? I'd like to hear from you guys. And also, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of videos there that you might like. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Very important, because you will not miss all of my videos on a daily basis. So please subscribe down below. Again, guys, we are growing. Thanks so much for your support to the channel. Until tomorrow, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great and amazing day.